Hi, how are you? You can see a nice painting here, but this is kind of old, and you can see the color composition is getting fade. So we're going to renovate this one and make it a colorful one. So for this purpose, we have to plan like which one we want to do first. So for the skylines and the water level, we're going to add the blue first. So let's see, putting the blue here on the top, putting the blue. So going to make the painting a darker, some glares maybe. Let's see the windows. Yes, okay. So now we can see the real flavors of the drawing. Awesome. So you can see the color is fading on top of the mountains. The darker most color was on the top, and it's just fading as it coming to the bottom part. All right, if you have a nice plan, then it's not gonna take much longer time. So it's gonna take a very less amount of time. So think first, then do the work later. There's the idea. Okay, so you can see the darker skies, and for the water body here, just make it dynamic. We're just putting some rags on the water body level here. Okay, putting the rags here and also adding color to it. So first we are going to put the color, later we are going to mix it up within the whole canvas. All right, so after putting the color, you can see, just I'm going to mix it up now. So that's why there may be some color variations. If that's not, we're going to add the white color later, and we're going to make the color variations nicely. Okay, so it's kind of dark, so that's why we need a white color. Need to add white color here. So if you want to add white color, put something like the dots like this one, then later you're going to mix it up. So do like this one. You can see the color is fading up and looking very nice, very nice on the canvas. So you can have a dynamic effect of the colors. Awesome. Okay, so right, here you can just wipe it up here, just making it wet, because later we're going to add a different color. All right, so adding little more white in this portion. Okay, so this is how you can make it dynamic, the water. All right, now if you like to put the ground here, so for the ground you can use a separate colors. Let's see. So putting this color to the border, then it's going to be inside. Okay, like this one. All right, mixing within the whole canvas, adding little bit white. See the ground forming very nice. Adding that color again to the border, putting much of it. Okay, and when we put the white color here, just try to mix it up within the canvas very uniformly. Then it comes to the middle like this one, so getting highlighted. Then this like a spoon shaped brush, so you can just uh, put the brush like this one from the corner, then come to the center like this one, and you can see the formations of the grounds looks nice. Okay, so things getting better and better as you working more on it. Okay, and for the mountains, just putting the shades on the left side later, you can see. Okay, on the right side, just highlighting. Okay, there's the mountains, putting the mountains. All right, after that one, we're just trying to make it more dynamic. So let's see, adding a very colorful appearance of the mountains. We're just adding like a purple color on the left side. Let's see, it's like a purple mountain. Putting lots of purple color for the mountains. Okay, also putting purple color on this side. All right, for the left one, you can see the other mountain is here. Nice variations. So you can see that imaginations has no limits. So when you do painting anything, just try to do your own work, because if it's a springtime and there are lots of trees which has the purple flowers, then the mountain is going to look like purple. So everything has an explanations. And on the top of the mountain, putting the white color for each part, then mixing it up with the whole mountain area. Okay, looks good. Also trying this one. Okay, putting the strokes longer like this. Awesome. Because if the snow accumulates on top of the mountain, then it looks white on the top. It's all depends on the snow accumulations. Okay, so that one is also done. Mountain parts, awesome. Okay, so looks very colorful, obviously. Everything is just about the adjustment. Okay, awesome. So colorful mountains. Now which is left? It's like the green is left. So green here and green there will be different color. These ones is going to be the darker green. So let's put the darker green here. Darker green at the bottom, which is staying at the mountain foothills. So even if it's a green color, if you would like to make it more darker, then you can add little bit black color, add with it, or it's going to be darker if you add the red color too. So anything is okay, good. All right, so some reflections on the ground, green reflections you can see. Okay, so for the green reflections, we are just adding white color just to show the reflections in some portions. Okay, here also you can see the green reflections. That's why to make it visually more prominent, I'm again adding the white color and making the reflections nice. To the border, at the bottom you can see, just putting the color white here. And on the top, just if we want to make it more darker, then I'm adding the red color on the top in some portions of the tree lines. You can see on the top very red, and red is becoming darker as I'm mixing it within the green color. All right, so putting the lines, straight lines here. So only one thing's left, like this portion. This is going to be the the darker color was behind, but the front side is going to be the brighter. Okay, so let's put the brighter green here. Taking the brush again and putting the green color to the border segment like this one. Also you can see putting up here. Okay, so you're going to need lots of colors because it's a wooden canvas, so you need lots of colors. The texture of the surface is very rough, so to cover the whole textured area you have to put it very nice. So see here, I'm just trying to put some texture of the grasses, taller grasses here with my brush strokes, just like this one. Okay, some graphics really works very well. All right, so for the lighter trees, we are going to add some white color to the tree lines. Okay, so you can see the colors and just doing the graphics for the tree lines. Let's see, just first we are going to put the colors white. Let's mix up the white, then just putting the straight lines like this one. So that's going to have a graphics of the special types of textures. Mhm. Okay, sorry, sometimes the things are moving. Okay, so now what we need, that we need to take a smaller brush just to put some textures with a darker color. So let's put the darker color, and we can use the help of some black color here just to draw some textures. So you can see the landscape elements, some grasses maybe on the ground, some details. Sometimes you can add to make the drawing visually looks nice. So you can see lots of textures on the right and on the left, just going from the bottom to the top. Mm-hmm. And some darker appearance maybe here. So putting the combinations of the multicolor effect on the water body makes the drawing more dynamic. Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. The things has changed and the painting looks like a brand new, very colorful. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. You can also browse through our playlist to select drawings in different categories. We have thousands of drawings. If you go through the playlist, see you there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.